Hey guys, welcome back to another Florida Moondog video. Today, we're basically looking at the same setup that we've been looking at the last 3 days. I just started this channel, so please like and subscribe. Uh, you know, we started with this triangle here. Now, remember when we had this breakdown and we talked about this and we talked about the possible bounce, and if it bounced, I'd buy back in, catch this little run up to my point. Nothing, I haven't changed nothing on my chart. This resistance line has always been here. Nothing has changed. So when we got to this point is when I sold out. Now at this point, Ethereum was about 2350 or 2380. I got it at 2380. I know that. And then I wrote it up. I wrote it up to about 2550. So we made some good money there. Matic was down to $1.72 and we wrote it up to $1.91. So when we bought back in here, I wasn't necessarily buying Bitcoin. I was looking for bigger returns, 10 to 15% returns. Even if Ethereum only gave me, 7, 8%. The whole point is that we're trying to make money in this bear market here. Because I don't care what anybody says. We're in a bear market. Now, do I think cryptos are going to go higher in the future? Yes. But right now, currently as we speak, we are definitely in a bear market. And as you can see, my chart has played out to the T. We had this breakdown. I told you guys buy back in if we broke back up, which we did. And I told you about the bounce. We came up, we bounced. This was your area. I had this marked as my area. Okay. So we took profits there. Then we came back down here and I started going here. This is when I closed my position. Because I wanted to lock in profits, guys. Locking in profits right now in a bear market is very, very key. You're trying to make money here. We're not trying to sit here all day, look at charts, and do this for free. We're trying to do this to make money. Okay. Now we are breaking down here, and as you can see, on my I had these three lines. This was all my main support. As you can see here, we came down, okay, and we retested this previous resistant or support line that is now currently resistance. So it flipped into resistance. Now let's see if we can break it because we are getting a bounce here. So let's see if we can break this. If we can, maybe we can touch this. Now, if we come up here and we touch this triangle and we get rejected, that will be confirmation that we are getting more downside. So just be aware of this, guys. I want you to be aware of this. Because I was hoping for a nicer pattern. I was hoping to get something like this towards the end of the move and then a go, just because we would get more. I want to be bullish, guys. I want to make money. I want to be bullish. And yes, you could short with leverage and stuff like that. It's a risky game. I don't recommend it, especially if you don't know what you're doing. Do I do it? Look, when I saw the top, you could see I posted on StockTwits. When I saw the top, yes, I did go for shorts. I was shorting in the $60,000 range, just because I felt like, hey, you know what? We topped out. I showed you guys the reasons why in my first video. If you guys check out the first video, I've only done, this is what, my fourth video, I believe. And I am posting updates as we go. So please follow my channel. Follow my Twitter account at Moondog Trading 1. I am the gunslinger on StockTwits. As you can see my profile, you can probably scroll all the way back to 2017 or 18. I don't remember when I first opened it. I think it was 17. 2017 I opened that account. But anyways, you can see some of my amazing calls over the years. Calling Tesla in 2019, Workhorse when it was like 90 cents. And then it went up to 30. The list goes on. NNDM at $2 and it went up to 115. The list goes on and on. Of course, Bitcoin. I've been talking about Bitcoin on my stock twits forever. Buying it 5,000, buying it at 3,000 or 4,000, buying it at 7,000. We were selling it and trading it and holding it all the way up. We made our gains. We made some good money, guys. We've made a lot of money here. I decided to start making videos because I would get a lot of people, what I noticed in YouTube, they just always want to be bullish and they always want everything to be happy because they want to get the likes and they want to get the views and they want to get the subscribers. So they want everything to be positive. I wanted to make a channel where I just wanted to be real with you guys. I just want to tell you the truth on what's going on here. I don't want to sugarcoat anything. And yeah, I'm hoping I can get subscribers from you guys, and I'm hoping you guys like my content. But you know, I'm just trying to be as honest as I can with you guys, so you guys know, you guys can be prepared. Now, if you hold, like, yeah, you can buy the dip and things like that. And guys, just a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion. I am not, I'm not giving you guys any financial advice. You can paper trade what I say or whatever you want to do, but I'm just trying to tell you what I see. I've been doing this for a long time now. I understand the markets. We understand the structures. Now, we also understand that the institutions could be shaking us out. Yes, I agree with that. That is, but at the same time, we're in a bearish trend, guys. You don't catch a falling knife, okay? You can trade little patterns here and there. If you're a good TA guy, you can short things if you want. But we got to play this game smart, guys. I mean, we got to play this game smart. We got to make sure when we're looking at things the right way here. And I know people talked about, possible head and shoulders and end patterns and all this, but let's just keep it simple, guys. Let's just keep it simple. Okay. I mean, I've seen some guys where they just trade with candles, support and resistance. That's it. They don't draw lines. They don't do nothing. That's how they trade. Me personally, I mean, of course, I can look at candle patterns and kind of tell you, like for example, right here, this right here shows a sign of reversal. This candle right here, when you see a candle like this, I mean, I'd rather have it green, of course, but when you see something like this, that's a positive sign. Okay. On the bottom, when you see a candle like this at the top, like this right here, look, danger. That's danger. Okay. Well, I mean, that's not exactly the same, but let's see if we can find something similar. But you don't want to see candles. When you see a candle like this where it's top heavy at the bottom of the trend, that's usually a sign of reversal. When you see it at the top, it's a sign of reversal going the other way. So I want you guys to learn some things, and I'm gonna teach you guys some things as we go. I'm gonna add some indicators as well that I want you guys to really look into, and I'll show you how to use some of these indicators. Right now, we're looking at the 4-hour chart. Let's look at volume first. Let's see, volume. I mean, it's high on the sell side, that's for sure. So, I mean, that's pretty obvious, right? We're getting negative here, negative here, negative here because we got the cross, right? Now I can just do this. This thing always pops up. So let's see what happens. We got the vortex cross, right? This is an underrated indicator that no one really talks about. But let's say we got the cross here where the green came down and the red went up, right? Now, if it goes up here, then we're usually at a sign, but this is a 4 hour, so I think I marked that for a daily. But let's just do something like this, okay? Now look at that, guys. I mean, I kind of went over. It should have been right here, actually. One over. But you can see what happens. We get it. Boom. Down we go. Why? Because the green went under the red. Green is always up. Okay? So we can do something like this where it crossed here. Sometimes it likes to lock and do its thing. So I just see I could have went over just a little bit. But you could see it went up. And I probably could have got right here where it really crossed. But TradingView likes to lock on the things that I know. I have it on the lock system just because I'm lazy. But so that's my fault. But anyways, the whole point is, guys, let's look at this. Why is my RSI here? So can we make this bigger? Like, what is going on here? How am I going to get into this? All right. So this is actually supposed to be at the 50 mark, but we'll just get it as close as we can. I don't feel like typing it in and doing all that. Yeah, so right now we want to, of course, break above this. Now, the bullish thing that we'd want to see on the RSI is something, like this, of course. When we come down, we bounce here, and we want to be down in these levels. Now, we got down here. We're pretty low. It's not like not like we're super high there, but this is only the 4 hour. To me, we're in a bear trend, so just trade carefully. Just be safe out there, guys. Don't use too much margin right now. Just play it safe. And I just wanted to give you an update. We're gonna wait for the next move here. We'll check the 15-minute chart. Let's see what we're looking at here. I mean, maybe we can get a little pump here. Okay. Maybe right now we can get a little pump here, or it can roll over. So just be aware of it. You can see something where you can get in and out of a trade. And maybe something like this could happen too. So, or it could bounce and go, or it could do something like this, where we come up and we just roll over and we break down the trend and then we go down. So that's a possibility as well. So just guys, keep an eye on this. This is a short-term trend. It's good to trade these smaller trends right now because we want to be in and out of these trades. We don't want to really hold too much right now in this market. So we want to just quick money, get in and out, and that's it. So I just keep that in mind. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I need some subscribers. I need some love here, guys, so I can keep making these videos for you and putting them out there. And I appreciate your love. And thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. I'll make an update video in a little bit to see where we're at. Peace out.